applicants can track their submitted applications for GST registration with the help of ARN as well as TRN. This video will show you the steps involved in both these two methods. Let's start with using ARN first. Assuming that you have just submitted your application and have the ARN available, visit the GST portal using the web address displayed on your screen. From the menu bar on the top of GST portal's homepage, expand the Services menu. Click the Registration category and select the Track Application Status option. On the Track Application Status page that opens, enter the ARN, the CAPTCHA code, and click Search. The status of your application associated with that particular ARN will get displayed. This was one way of doing it. Now let's see the steps of viewing the application status using a TRN. To do that, follow the same initial steps of visiting the GST portal and expanding the Services menu. Since I'm already in the GST portal, I'll just go to the top of the page to expand the Services menu. Next, I'll click the Registration category and this time select the New Registration option. On the New Registration page that opens, ensure that the Temporary Reference Number (TRN) option is selected. Enter the TRN, then enter the CAPTCHA code and click Proceed. This will send a verification SMS on your registered mobile phone number and email address. Once you receive the OTP, enter it here and click Proceed. The next screen will display your submitted application along with the respective ARN, date of submission, and status. Once you get your GSTIN and log in to the GST portal using that, you may not see this information readily displayed as shown. In that case, use the Services menu to select the Track Application Status option and view the statuses of all your submitted applications. It's that simple.